The United States of America returned almost 300 artifacts smuggled from India. Yes, you heard that right. India is getting back its priceless antiquities, and it's all part of an ongoing cultural restitution effort between two great nations. This has been a major step in fostering greater cultural understanding between India and the United States. So, let's break it down. During Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent visit to the US in September 2024, a major milestone was achieved. The US returned 297 precious Indian antiquities that had been either stolen or trafficked over the years. This symbolic handover took place in Wilmington, Delaware, during a bilateral meeting between Prime Minister Modi and President Biden. These antiquities span over 4,000 years of Indian history, from as far back as 2000 BCE to as recent as the 19th century. We're talking about sculptures in sandstone, terracotta vases, and ancient figures made of bronze, copper, wood, and even ivory, all originating from different regions of India. Some of the standout pieces include an apsara in sandstone from the 10th century from central India, a bronze Jan Tirthankar from the 15th century, a broken terracotta plaque depicting a highly decorated female figure holding a child from 2nd century, a stunning Lord Ganesh bronze sculpture from the 17th century, Lord Vishnu in bronze from 17th century, Lord Krishna in bronze from South India belonging to 17th century, idol of goddess Tara made of black basalt from 10th century, Lord Kartikeya in granite from South India belonging to 13th century, many decorated vases from various time periods. Now, this is not the first time the US has returned stolen Indian antiquities. Since 2016, a whopping 578 cultural artifacts have been repatriated to India, with previous returns happening in 2016, 2021, and 2023. The United States has returned more Indian artifacts than any other country. A large part of these stolen treasures were linked to international trafficking networks. In fact, a significant number of these items were tied to disgraced art dealer Subhash Kapoor, who was involved in smuggling these precious items. After years of investigation, over 300 stolen treasures were returned to India in 2022, all thanks to the US government's crackdown on international smuggling. All of this really highlights the importance of cultural restitution in modern international relations. For India, these aren't just artifacts, they are deeply connected to the nation's history, culture, and consciousness. With this discussion on repatriating stolen cultural property, many of you might be wondering, when will the British Museum follow the suit? The British Museum holds thousands of artifacts looted from India during the colonial era. Despite growing pressure, the return of those items has been non-existent. While countries like the US have taken strong steps in returning stolen cultural heritage, the British Museum continues to face criticism for holding on to numerous Indian treasures. The Kohinoor diamond, Tipu Sultan's throne, and countless other items are still in their possession. Who knows, maybe with mounting international pressure, we'll see more countries stepping up to return what rightfully belongs to India. For now, this US-India collaboration is a step in the right direction, and it signifies a new era of respect for cultural heritage. So, what do you think? Should more countries follow the US's example and return stolen cultural property? And when will the British Museum finally give back the priceless Indian treasures it holds? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and subscribe to the channel for more content on history, culture, and international relations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.